What's wrong with you? What's the sources? What's the way, Jimmy? Cause all it what? All right, I will say good evening. Mama Jo, Mama Ha, Mama Ache. Ebia na pa, emi ana wo ana ebi susu wo ebiem. Ene bi susu enyimre. So I say bia wo bia no, maka enche ni nyina akum. Ana maye ba ko ana me dia ma. Na o se na ma chia mo ho akonye no. Ache se nyema enkoyi. Enyema enkoyi bi na ache asem bi esi. Asem bi susu sia, nifa ne ma asem si. Nipa so ana beka. But the first is a program. And for this, be 2 million free. I was only for the soldiers of Fufu. I bet tell you, sorry, I say, now, back at us, my papa. And the bar is still had with my network. With my network, the way a woman, I say, we are more than TV. You never mind, as I said, we are going my bag of soup, so papa, our hand. Now, back at us, video, yeah, over shape. So when it's a woman, what I want. Like, share, na comment, if I may. I will subscribe here, subscribe, if I may. As I say, when you have a papa, I had about a song. Now, a compasser, when they make a yarn to me, and yarn to the so I say, and I want to make yarn to swap and yet and talk at home. Man, shakra, so I say, man, shake, and I will be one back over man, shake. So I say, because there is a saying that you can force the force into the riverside. You can force the fox into the riverside, but you cannot force it to drink the water from the river. So I say, meeting here more machine channel. I mean to me for so such a channel to be doing. So I say, to the south, when you want and you talk about the data, nada. Now, we are gonna need Nagana Moja, now what can Kasa. Now, so one of me, I was doing what I was saying. I was saying, my Ghana, a year papa. Na efa ntoma pa efradia na wabua ahye video we da tinya kwa kusisi ebeya magana abeye yie because ebi no ba yo mo ma yie amemu tina ayetena na ameno ka say ye passport so American embassy ye kwaje visa ye dia ko America ye ko UK ye ko Canada ye ko Italy ye ko wanwan Germany ene ye keka ka ho san ka mo ma ho basa basa Edia to trust them in Simone in some 4 anka ye already do say be ko wo so what say but o me ye ni year why ye come and dey abi dia ye kondo say ye be ko and ye ko abrekire ba ye aso bi afri heavy aba na obi ko Germany he ya ba na ye ni age ni aso ano so no so free ko na sanka urade e ma kwa say free play e ko heavy ba dia kan be ko heavy ba dey minimum life o be bo e dia gu ye so wa han so what say na me one sawom and sawom na meti so I say in sawom ha na meti in sawom na meti me nyen sawom ni battle ma betra over 10 years I think the 4th year and I'm way so I Canada na America can go green card and come be citizen so I say but I had the baby a better the not we again this na you nim sawom no so I say you nim sawom no wo fi akra na wo ba your friend baby fire service, baby health insurance from office in the one. Who travel remember plus what is school. We send a kakarana over mobile before mobile. On your left hand, there is a street at SDA school. Now from that very junction, over when you kakarana ucha SDA school now. Over baby for the weakest. Woman Catholic for school, woman Catholic for school. The friend for the weakest. Who be do school and you prepare. Not a pana ya castle. Yes, you will go down and see. Now, the two as well, and you to find. Now, the Tini, Yamma, Yabino, Yatini. I think by 4 years ago, district assembly, then it was district assembly, never municipal. Almost the FDA, a year area, Buibi, Caterpillar, Sana, I work as a friend. Almost Chapan, come and raising a fine. I got on that side. A car quota, I will do Gusso. Quota, I will do Gusso. From there to the connection of the new road, the highway to Marcelo, Nanka said, be secret of na obi entimi fa Kuromu street no ana kwano ko adwagire ne to aso a o ma fa sa kwano so to akwati asi e kire ho so wadi ase nanka watine yusu new road na say new road. But could you believe 724 aye hwe ha atnase Oma enfie nine no. Oma fa kota biara amfa ngu kwan no so. Ana nsu atwabro kwan na amba kwan nyina se yatutu. Ekwan nyina se yatutu. Na we na mi bu sase. Enti Ghana no da ben ene e ben ye ama Ghana aye yie. Bro, sister, da ben ene e ben ye ama Ghana no aye yie. Enkosi da ben. Politicians enkosi da ben. Ahemfo enkosi da ben. Asofo enkosi da ben. Timamufo enkosi da ben. Journalists for enkosi da ben. Media houses enkosi da ben. When are we going to build our nation? When da ben pa and the yeni be pa ye ho se ye man apratete asai enti yenyenyenye di o ma ye nhwe ha that common street no that common street enu wana o ma tumi anye adawa pratete ameno ka se so mo ye o ma dwene se o mo be ka kota dis o mo se twa pan su bi e de anyane abo be se be guso ele bo so as o be ti ka kota. But they did it to a certain level. Naka kota o be guso na kasa. And that is the only one way street. I want someone who find the right side. There is no way you can cross the river then to Adweji. When traffic is being blocked at the main station, which means for the vehicle, and no pair and a yakwanya, waiting for one a link as well as new road to no one for Wapio Adweji. But Omen to Yakwanya. And the Emma put this some number of food, Nayam Shikura say. Who to such a Jakoskumu? Such a Jakoskumu. On my Joseph, the young one, and Joseph, the teacher for the Joseph. I practice as a school authorities in the Samuel. Said this sitting that was obey or mobile. Said pity for the was mobile. Nobody knows anything about it. I practice and to a whole can, and I am at you. She had it. Yanana say that's already. Say clear no more when you. Some got you go, some of the venue Potoyoa, and now some of the venue Kuku, and then Sanka your beard to internet. And only the go as a Sabaya, over the Bayer Pine. Then the air go, they are system. Caterpillar no book of fire, a year, a level, ever found a titty cleaning under the coin, and I came in a taro. I said, a bone crew. If your man with that baby, and the baby Ghana, yeah, 64 years. The deep fish, Yamakum, and you see in 64. And our politicians, and they are actually a diagro. When they are looking for power, they will come to you. They will walk barefooted on the ground. They will come to your house. They will come and knock at your door. They will come to your workplace. They will be begging you on television. They will be begging you on radio. They will be begging you with the posters. Some of the better telecom thinking, say, what your wife is some answer ever from. They into almost perform to that level now. Over face on the wire pet. Now I pay 20 cities, and I say, "Where be or she we and some Nanyanchi now or the honorable, no, yana your no Jena Baba, and I want abo. Omu Yapa when live here, no more with a fee, and bomb over saying Nara, no more with a fee, ya Baba to a bar, no more chicken caterpillars, and you have a good lot of questions. Ask some of the yellow of my end. When Oka come to someone from El Salon Commercial Bank, when they call Pacono, what their facade. It may take you by 1 hour, 35 to 45 minutes as an order back go. From someone to Paco and young Gambia. You may take because photos never goose to about 1,000. Photos never walk kind of about 1,000. By every year, you have to about 2020. Don't play. Actually, Greta and the sea one also. And you got this mean that this. I said, where is it? And if I look at politicians, they are actually a diagro. I dear my way, you see. Now you make time. Quran is a traffic, Nachi, and you pay and not be any other Betino. No, not in the land custom, not the pay. Or not a young man, Quanon Chamunko. I make it and yet talk and our quackoto. And Yakaya and our quackoswa, and then you don't come and our quackopo. Who say a quackot in our office? na from a papa abba for me kekura ye the bribe be and about to office and I open them akwaje na nya oko di ba nya oko sam fifre te se nya me sam fifre ansa na nsa akona no na wo kan na sinje na wo aba betwam. Enough is enough. Ya bram politicians mo ka na Ghana anye ye. Politicians, you are part of the progress of this country. Politicians, you are the main factor among Ghana and TV fan to my benefit. Bonnie Ben and Ghana for a year. Bonnie Ben and a Ghana for a year. And the politicians name Yanua. I am for no so sorry. When you break a dear child, send your way and a young time, or any packet via to your man. No, I cannot watch you. Nana, and Kawu was said, woman, Obesha, I'm a tumpo. The young Fuko and a GV8. Ketasi said, Proye, Jim Tia and a can, and Doko Ghana, send no Kumua, and Doko via prom. And do a person that you call this taxi me at move 5. You do police barrier or the one gun and you came. I was in the car and they never knew. Said I work as a journalist. I was waiting to see how they will react. And I was telling myself, say we are not going to be bomb could be the Shaya one and Kawaja one gun, then go to come once. When the time reached for us to come back, we were the same 5 people in the same taxi. Or the 2 city and a poor taxi driver and I tell. It is a tour and a second. If we are good to work at the baby dear one, where is our country going to? Or mine acquaint. Or mine acquaint. Wow, Shani, be catching on the 2 eh? Be very, very, very careful about your own life. There is no justice in the country. Justice is barely Ghana. From our grand to our crime. From our leaders to the least, yes. From Akufo-Addo to the baby born hair and Obi and Diwa. Oh yes, Jebi Dagwa, Yekuno, up to now. People were expecting that for you be an achieve PSA and David Dankwa is also achieving and Kawoba Obama truth are prevailing. Obama justice are prevailing, but justice delay is justice denied. Justice delay is justice denied. Up to now, you baby as some foolish guy, that's stupid guy, sexy don fucking boy, I could come a whole MP. A whole MP. Now we go to what they see there. Munti me more someone can say on them life imprisonment and now see a say and I say. You better to aba. If for Kwanzaa, if Anti-Famous, if Anti-Man MP, you kuno, you ante moshi, Eddie the Sinner, you ante moshi. Dream dear, Ketasi, Poye, and a can and not to come. Frim penny for society, the same padasso. I'm a total driver for you to a bride, taxi driver for you. Police in each council. Or be a cow put a check him when you once in the head. I let me jump for. So, there was the time I had it. Some prophobic that we said then. Almost crossed 3 barriers. It took 1 barrier for them to stop them to know what is in the car. And yet one catches somebody came. So what are you doing there? Who post there? Who could now say she depend on job? We have to wake up, bro. We have to wake up. So be so now to me Africa. We be now Africa here and now Ghana. We have to arise and break the spell of our life. We have to cast the spell out. And yeah, on mine are poor. Mama, yeah, sorry. Yeah, Now, so for Mundi and fire, I will include myself when I'm talking about the pastors, when I will include myself again when I am talking about the journalists. Journalists for come as someone who should get you know how much panya. Or can it have breaking news? No doubt, baby. Journalism, no. If you are a good and a professional journalist, you have to pursue one case. Also, actually, news on the side. The Sunday, I'm two more of an issue. And they say, "Be giant, you man, that station." And they say, "Atiakoda, Udian, can we ship you?" You get just how much is to more Central Police Station. You get just and flack and tobacco. It took God's intervention for me to be released. As a good and a professional journalist, so when you can be now as someone who may see bread and Sasa went down because in 21st, so they are 1 2 jam no cheer. When you there is some. When you're here, back one way, we are paying the now, Gasofons were beautiful. A softful, a beautiful Asian Queen. Are you a demand by what they are more minor? I'm a crown of Branic decision. I don't go one. The only favor those and pray long for those who are loaded, who have money, who suffer the bomb by 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. When your time of this always come, who discounting you must have. Usika sa offer na also prof odi prophet pato papa Jesus untia sama sofreka the only word that what yani Jesus no we wie minim say anya sofrena ga minim say bible credit time atom those that preach on radio and TV, so what they are from, just give them a call. Say you need prayers, those should pray for you. Hey, Jesus. No, I can't just handkerchief fit abra. Pablo no macam. Not to a candle. Nabe whom was sorry them. If envelope seed offering, bra. I'm not doing it. Who needs it? They don't pray for you. And you find your dear my gun and your deco. And you find and your deco. Nina come for a Jimmy Sam was someone. Councillor Lutrot. I've got good a national TV show. What's we a councillor? Councillor Dankayaka, 1 year of 1 year a woman. Now you boom, now I'm Timmy to Nipafu, and many free TV about TV from you are one of them. But you, being the councillor, you are on national television at the world, sir. Obiawa worry as a married man. One worry you were a man, you were a matured man, you were a councillor. There was one time I saw your flyer with a clerical. I saw you on television with a clerical, which means was I a clergy? What castle for go? I want to say, show will at the jasper. Now would you be papa? I've been TV so now what the world a finger no, actually said them man or backward a damn one or when you was who saw a your body to our national TV so. Ah, Mundum Sam Quada, a Shenima, and Quada. And today, then, what are you telling the youth or the children? In which way are we bringing them up? Moya Sacho, the swing and couple, or the Yen Nara, a Babatembu. You are prophesying near maybe Naya, near maybe say a fact. But first, it can't. I do remember in those days. I do remember them in those days. Yeah, my men and Sa Asia, no more back and Bema good dear once some Kurana Yapana. Then they will sack you, they will walk you out. But then the television, so the whole council. So our office, Nanka, our phone, yes, let them come to you and demonstrate it there secretly to them alone because they are the ones that are in need of it. And you can afford it now. And can make come once and but yet may come. Yes, a Kenya, not Kenya, a Kenya, not castle. Your boss will throw any weapons or any pulls over and so. Nigeria, need your telly there, you are your blogger. On my son cash the mind. A Ghanaian counselor. A Ghanaian counselor. And I am a Ghanaian. So whenever you mention the Ghanaian, it means you have mentioned me. When you are talking about Ghana, you are talking about me because I am a Ghanaian and I am from Ghana. Me a Ghanaian, I'm free Ghana. Me a Ghanaian, intimate me free Ghana. Into Ghana somewhere, I wasn't responding. Won't go cut and farm a Ghanaian. However, but yet a Ghanaian counselor. Now we and chance anyway, what to put. Now we hear a casual truth. Now we hear and chance what to put. And chance. So you be Baba and now we hear it and then your Baba. So bad, your own daughter, you don't have any right to touch her privacy. So wow, Baba, we knew Panko, so there was Sabbath Kalasi, you were so little. A harassment. Now you be Baba. Baba the TV so now we don't sat to 7 neighbors and I watch less than a year finger. Are you serious? Are you truly a man of God? Or you are out of your senses? What's wrong with you? What's the Yasu I want to wait to me? Because only thought. Yasu also you move from one media house to another media house, one platform to another platform, and the baby cancel neutral. You see, I come for a dear from, you come for a hair. Once a year, you are becoming a useless man. Men to sabi, I know what I am talking about. And whatever you want to do, you can do it. If you want to kill me, you can kill me. But the Kaya Canada said, a passe, you hear the Papa called the number for them, me my Ghana. As I transform it, I'll be a better country and a better nation. I am ready to do that. I'll give my life for that sacrifice. Yeah, so hey, Bia, you better face me about yes, said or Bacasiampo or Casa. Now we are in Wasu. We be Yan Sam, a back on the one Cassiam. If you no be slow, so I catch them, I may catch them. Oh my yo, Jum, Jimmy. You are being fooled. Who Jimmy? Who Jimmy Park as I look at? Who Jimmy? Who's on my platform? And I was like, we usually a good thing, and a good impact on Ghanaian, most especially the youth. But you misuse it. You misuse it. You misuse the platform. And the things and we can say, one platform, I can just and they are two transforming for a whole lifetime on Nyasa platform. But you have been getting series of platforms and opportunities to talk, to advise, to counsel. But yes, though, you are not being impacting people, but rather, this your video be every Bible, Master, the devil itself quotes. When he met Jesus in the wilderness, he quoted a scripture. And for you to know how to read Bible and translate Bible and interpret Bible does not qualify you to become a real man of God. But the devil himself does. What's wrong with you, Ghanaians? What is it? If you ask in Ghana for your oh my kid to Ghana, politicians in Dins and I am for Dins and Timon for Dins and Policy for Dins and journalists for Dins and Nassau for Grandmaster Yanka. Mamu too far to Russian Quran. Mumo Grand with Jimmy Cratchet Obia. What is wrong with you? Hello, Ghana Eba Kupo, Ghana Eba Kupe, and Yamoyano, a sub bonnet and a muchadiato. Now, one by one is what can salute to the do big now, why you want him to breathe. It's all ferrets away your bar. One ferret. Oh, be power, yes, now one man. Now, what story I got would have saw the face I want men to suffer be more piper. Now, so for the sisters here, Jimmy Nayan Sentino, or by any one pie said the bear goes anointed. So we do any investigation and check your background where you are coming from, what you did with your life when you are not yet married. What be the TV soon here or be a kum at a finger. When you said trust when you no wonder we are living with mama water's daughters and papa water's daughters. Ni people asase so ye no mtigana asase o ye bronsamba mama watamba complete. O ma appearance nature say o mo mfere ade because o ye devils. Baby o mu free body ye mfere ade o ndisa no mde aba ya bragu. An can stretch no mo hye wo nika se. Esa hye nika kura gusu say stretch ne nko a wo be hye oba na ne ba na adro na apai. No de nam krom. Obodam. You are insane. You are insane. You are bodam for because how am ferry ade ti Natalia tetia won na maro ti ni obi atade no de akekere no ko. Obodam for because but mama you are beyond madness. You are beyond that. Jataria ye set e di shataria se de kata ye hono. And no and I say marama de nam. Your babesia be TV so in shataria I ense dross and obi kunu say a council say a clergy or say a sofu. And then they say, so to no mia. As I call when you to bear and no mia. Shame on you. Let me know my boyfriend and come to for papa. Now, ye, I said, bear man, I want to know what's our boyfriend so cool or to us, of course, so what I want to know bear man or someone poor. No, ya, I need deliverance. I casa. Oh, ya, Sabi, in a cat, pussy cat. Meow, meow. Omo kura mpo, omo perform one. Omo kemeni pada. They wait for human being to asleep before ombeye no ombeye. Omo ye komo tete nyina mwa. It's only dog. Nkramai. And mponchi a pet na efari ade. And omo for mu obi do. Nka first gala for ma mo feri ade. And any baba shek just trousers or t-shirt tintin you be seen go to no dey buso unhunu me hwe but the lady mo she stretch mo she da cotton jeans no mo twa jeans ni kana mo say hot ya beba mo so no abrabo na mo bo na kin so no my gomora. And if indeed God did not forgive them and consume that city with fire, with hails of fire, then Ghanaians, get yourself prepared. Get yourself prepared. Young boy, now you better buy us. I am telling you. You better 2 years. I am telling you. Because I'm poor, no. I'm your man. There's any politicians near you. And can in someone municipal, in someone. Si kepa municipal. Into more power than I'm to find you in someone crew. Common street, a gugua basa. Common street, a gugua basa. A gugua, a prime individual biagin, and can some of the estate will be seen in them via, and can the first wall length on your quota, no, be a better one, so to us. They will build their houses and drive their luxurious cars. On that portals, no, almost change government, I buy the street in Infamo. Shame on you, what's all the from Sika, Sika Casa is a moon. Sikana and Casa is a moon. Wow, what the gun, the Sika, the Gugu band. And I'm from whose name was Moscow. He's kind of a penny of fancy man, the Yausufia. Ye fancy man, or money, also your gun. Why still fear then you can clear Bino by 100 meters? No, who buy Kakota, who try a pine with free crow and I buy so the Kakota the amount. In the better check, Corona, I hope it develop all right, but that's still in the eternity. Shame on Ghanaians. And I don't need a mobile. Yeah, right. Yeah, such that. TV station now. Mumma Kwama Kansalu to bears are you must be ashamed of yourself. You must be really ashamed of yourself. You must be. Smart change. So don't you think say oh yeah there is secret in any mobile. Akwala na be hwe kwansa na wo akwakohwe. Yes, sam kwala ntie ni daachi. Wo yu nko so na wo yonko o nkoko. Akoko ne to na wo sesa ngosua na we no. Na ngosua be na pese o nwane na be yankoko ma ne ma. Nti yes, sam kwala ni yes daachi. Na te se Ghana leader so bia ni ho. yɛde ne sɛ ya na sɛ wiase da sɛ ana asɛ yɛde ne sɛ ya na sɛ yɛbɛwu akɔ ne yɛwu akɔ na kyɛ sɛ saa yɛde yɛ ansesa da. Those that have suffered, who suffered with their blood, with their life, to gain independence for us. And say, almost sorry for madam Eba. Eba we say Ghana egusetia. Omo yira ba ho papa. Omo yira ba ho ambeka so mu ya kra ngoma independence na nkeye. Ko say kra yen tu kwan ko slave wo ho. Enyo mo na mbaba fa slave. We journey from our own country because our man politicians now stand to that extent. We are babu na we nya adwuma nye. Adwuma obeye so we your bad penifo ne be fa. O man fa wa ye mfa wa adwuma mu. And you better for you say I was so 2,000 Ghana no achieve no amount 500 cities. 500 cities go to be cheap no amount 300 no next month me tu yankan. Tu ya na di muti nyane wajai. Di Ghana fo ne na mo sa. Nyame pe. Nti obi ti di 40 years na fe no wow. Cause osuro nti onisika onya adwuma nti onisika o de be wa. To osuro so be wo. Osuro 50 years na ne ba was 6 years. And your papa. Can you join us? More ye. The system is not working in Ghana and Africa at large. The system is not working, and I don't even know who cares Africa. If I may, I will have write a book. Who cares Africa? And that will be the title of the book. Who cares Africa? Africa is cursed. Africa, we are under a curse. A group of people, a certain people, has cast a spell on us. And we need to be liberated. We need to emancipate ourselves. And Bob Marley said in one of his songs that we need to emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. I'll come your way once and again. It might not be today and it might not be tomorrow, but surely I'll come your way again. A word to a wise. Stop the daydreaming. Let us build Ghana. Let us stop all these negativities, this unwanted attitude, unwanted character. Let us put them aside. Let us transform and renew our mind, because we can do it. Be to me yet. My jai wati. Yes, sir. And in Amishama Africa, and most especially Ghana. We were gateway to Africa. And now what is happening to us? Nigeria needs to be free to cool. One better Ghana in every pro, just like that. No go. Ghana. Are we secure? Are we safe? Hey, what is going on? Nigeria you alatani yawalata etimi free alata mem e bagana abetire Ghana ni baba abayiwa we rire puno ye jansa no na ni jefu etimi ba no mo chenkwala kunkumu what is wrong with us? Na mo politicians mo dey mo ntra wo ya say wo pamo emufuwa wo to ni bema ni pa osura de no Tata popo when it's now one day. Even your own dog, when you pursue him up to the wall and there's no way for him to continue, he will turn and back at you. One day, I bet I never come so. This is so called to some one with swim as well. Catch and say, sorry, so. The man catch and say, sorry, so. If you wouldn't have so direct, not about. Nti say the yes me amufo na mo face mo de mo mante Ghana ha mo ma wo UK ebi wo Canada ebi wo Spain ebi wo Germany ebi wo Australia ebi wo America nti mo ma secure God said He will send famine. He will send famine and sword. Baby, I will ban you. I will have a cotton. Into ban you when it does on my face. Who are one yet not snap brain when you had never Ghana. Said I know a chance you. So banana a chance you. Dear can I boy in a qua when you have a sobia because one shep will be the to so dear and ye. I don't know you now, no boy. You be see ya, Yamin my Hokaya, and Yamin Mamma Hokai be my messing about. Yawasa never can never be cut. Oh, fine, 1 5 family. Yawasa, I am just a messenger of God. And I was sent this evening to come and deliver this message unto the people of Ghana. And most especially our leaders, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the president of the Republic of Ghana. Wake up! We trusted you. We believe in you. The message that you gave before we vote you into power, we trusted you. And it seems like you are disappointing us. You are disappointing us. Wake up, Nana. If they have cast a spell on you by the virtue of the blood of the Lamb, I pray that you will be released from it. And the wisdom, the knowledge, the confidence, the courage that the Lord God gave you before coming into power, you use the same thing to uplift the image of Ghana and Africa at large. Thank you once and again. May God bless you. Share the video for me once and again. My name is Patrick Kwame Dankwa Edini. That's my full name. You can take me to whatever you want to take me to. I am ever ready to respond. If possible, I will sacrifice my life for that. Good evening. Here is Edini, my network.